Hare Krishna, dear friends. How are you all doing? I hope you are having a great time on COVID 10. We sure are. Welcome back to Bhajan class. This is Ratikeli Radhika and I am back with a new bhajan. Today we will learn a bhajan in the Kannada language. This beautiful song dedicated to Krishna was written by the great devotee Kanakadasa. How many of you know Kannada? Okay. This language is spoken mostly in Karnataka. This is a sweet and simple bhajan in the Kannada language. Let's start learning then. Today with me is my friend Shyama. You can sing along with Shyama as we learn this song. Ready, friends? Shyama, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, repeat after me. Yadavaraya,
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 Brindavanadolu,
Vrindavanadolu,
Brindavanadolu,
Vrindavanadolu,
Yadavaraya, Brindavanadolu,
Yadavaraya, Vrindavanadolu,
Yadavaraya, Brindavanadolu.
Yadavaraya, Vrindavanadolu.
Great! We just learned the first line. That wasn't hard at all, was it? Let's move on to the next line. Venunadava,
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 Madutire,
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 Venunadava, Madutire.
Venunadava, Madutire,
Venunadava, Madutire.
Venunadava, Madutire.
Awesome! Do you know what these lines mean, friends? It means that Krishna, the king of the Yadus, is playing his flute in the forest of Vrindavan. Shall we try singing the first two lines together now? Shyama, are you ready?
Yes.
Yadavaraya, Vrindavanadolu, Venunadava, Madutire.
Yadavaraya, Vrindavanadolu, Venunadava, Madutire.
Excellent. Thank you, Shyama. Friends, I hope you have learned the first two lines. Let's move on to the next line now. Ready, Shyama?
Yes.
Radha,
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 Muntada,
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 Radha Muntada,
Radha Muntada,
Radha Muntada,
Radha Muntada,
Gopiyarella,
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 Radha Muntada, Gopiyarella,
Radha ರಾಧ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ
ರಾಧಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ
ರಾಧ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ.
Excellent. Now we'll go on to the next line. Madhusudana
ಮಧುಸೂದನ
Madhusudana
ಮಧುಸೂದನ
ನಿನ್ನನು
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 ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು
ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ
ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ
ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ
ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Superb. Let's sing those two lines together now. ರಾಧಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ
ರಾಧ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ.
ರಾಧಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ
ರಾಧ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Wonderful. These lines mean that all the gopis headed by Srimati Radharani are serving you, O Madhusudana. Madhusudana is another name of Krishna. At the end of this verse, we again repeat the first two lines. Yadavaraya Vrindavanadolu ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರೆ.
ಯಾದವರಾಯ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೋಲು ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರೆ.
That's right. Friends, Krishna has so many sweet names, doesn't he? Which is your favorite name of Krishna? Go on. Wow, that's a lovely name. Thank you for sharing with us. Okay, now we are going to sing all the lines of this verse together. I hope you're ready. Shyama, shall we try all the lines together?
Yes.
Friends, I will sing the entire verse now and then Shyama will repeat. You can sing along with Shyama. Yadavaraya Vrindavanadolu ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರೆ. ರಾಧಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ. ಯಾದವರಾಯ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೊಳು ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರೆ.
ಯಾದವರಾಯ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೋಳು ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರೆ. ರಾಧಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ಗೋಪಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಿನ್ನನು ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತಿರೆ. ಯಾದವರಾಯ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೊಳು ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರೆ.
That was perfect. Thank you, Shama. Let me sing it one last time. Friends, you can sing along with me this time. Yadavaraya Vrindavanadolu Venunadava Madutire. Radha muntada gopiyarella Madhusudana ninnanu ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೀರೆ. ಯಾದವರಾಯ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೊಳು ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರೆ. There, that's it. We have started to learn a new bhajan today. I hope you enjoy singing it, friends. Until we meet again next time, keep practicing. Hare Krishna.